So what we're doing today, we're going to use our Vixen unit to clean and finish these parts, not only the aluminum, but we're also going to take these transmission stubs, we're going to clean these so that we can send them off to yellow zinc plating. And what? Can't you see I'm doing a video, you chooch? All right, yeah, thanks. Can you believe these guys? So anyway, what I want to show you is, this is our Vixen unit. This is an Aquablast unit. What's unique about this is that we use water, high pressure air, and glass bead. What's nice about the glass bead is it kind of peens the surface, but unlike aluminum oxide, it doesn't cut into it. So it doesn't change its shape. So like on those axle stubs, I don't have to worry about affecting any of the bearing race surfaces. So we get them nice and clean. They look like brand new, and then we can either plate or we just use this and it looks like it came right from the factory. So what I'm gonna do is load this up in our unit, and you can see how dirty it is, right? There's some cosmoline on here. There's some dirt, cosmoline under here. And what we're hoping is we're gonna be able to get this done and out, have it look like a brand new factory part. So here we go. Safety glasses at all times. Even though we're in a cabinet, you don't want to get your eyeball all screwed up, because then T.O. Tizzle gets all mad because it can't work. And then my wife yells at me for just cuz, right? So, nice heavy duty gloves. Get set up. And I am going to start blasting. So here we go. Now what we'll do is, I'm just going to pull this out and show you some of the difference between clean and dirty. And of course, different parts will take longer due to the amount of dirt, cosmoline, oil, whatever might be on it, including corrosion. Aluminum seems to react really, really well with this stuff. So, just to give you an idea, this is the way we saw it when we took this part in, correct? All dirty, cosmolined up. And this is just after a few minutes of our vapor blasting, this is what we've achieved. And you can see this was dirty as this one, this side. Now there's a couple spots where we got to maybe concentrate a little bit on, but this is what you'll get. And it's basically factory brand new. So go back and finish this one up. Now if you think this is really cool, be sure to like us on Facebook, look for Instagram, comment too. We're always welcome. Open to hearing comments of what you folks think. Okay. Pretty much brand new part. Might be a couple of small spots of cosmoline, but you really can't tell until you pull it out. So this part is essentially done and ready for installation. Now, there are times we'll go ahead and seal it. Sometimes we leave it raw. The axle stub's in the transmission. Again, like I said, the benefit of using the Aquablast with the glass bead, very fine glass bead, is that we're going to knock all whatever dirt and scale and oil off of this. Machine surfaces will be nicely bead blasted, if you will, but not etched. The same goes for the bearing races, but really importantly is that all these splines, we're going to be able to get into these splines and clean these so that we know when we put the transmission part back together that it's going to fit perfectly. There's going to be no dirt, oil, residue, or anything. So another real nice benefit of this. Then these are going to go off to yellow zinc chromate and be plated.